Hey everyone, welcome to CK's Tech. Guys, in this video we are going to see 5 simple tricks with Termux. Before getting into the video, subscribe to our channel, do like and share this video. Follow us on Twitter and join our Telegram channel. So guys, let's get started. Now type the command package install libcaca and press enter. After installing process, overrun the command cacafire to see the output. Now type the command package install SL and press enter. After installing process, overrun the command SL to see the output. Now type the command package install cmatrix and press enter. After installing process, overrun the command cmatrix to see the output. Now type the command package install WEM and press enter. After installing process, overrun the command WEM space your desired website link to see the output.